On May 22, 2010, someone bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 bitcoins, worth $100 million in 2020. Imagine that! Someone paid 10,000 bitcoins for 2 pizzas. In 2010, no one cared, as 10,000 bitcoins were worth about $30. However, in 2013, everything changed. That year, Bitcoin prices fluctuated between $200 and $1,150. In 2019, the price flew like a rocket and reached $12,637 for a single coin. What do you think will happen in 2020? Will the price soar once again? Or will it become worthless? Take a position with ATFX. With us, you can trade on falling and rising prices. We make it easy for you to trade the global markets at any time and anywhere. Trade with ATFX, a global leader in online trading.